Hi, we are rising our system. We've just made 2 changes, that's it. The border color is 2 and this color is now not bluish, the standard ArcoLinux blue color, but it's kind of red. And it's beautiful too. Anything that's focused is looking nice. Now, I've just changed the wallpaper. I wanted to change the wallpaper. That's why everything went dark. Now, the next thing I would like to do, I was thinking about, what was I thinking? It's all in the config H that we're playing around. These 2 files or these 2 files compared. Okay, bye. Let's open it up with something we can edit. So Sublime Text, Atom Code, Visual Studio Code, it's all good. And then Super F, full screen, Super F, and you have your Super Spacebar is back, Super F, full screen, Super Spacebar back. We could change some fonts, which is okay. Font size, make it a little bit bigger, that's all okay. Small things. But I was thinking, yeah, that's what I was thinking. In some of our tiling window managers, we have these Roman numbers. I suppose if we change this Ctrl C to Ctrl V and we put in here some kind of form of this is rubbish, so this is not it, nothing changes, the color is not changed, this is tagging, they say, but basically this is the code to say you're out. And then you have to say you're back in. You have to say, oops, you have to say Ctrl C, and here it stops. It's like an HTML tag, right? The P and the /P. Stop here. Okay. Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, whoops, and one more, 10 minus 1, save, and then you say nothing changed. Eric, this is rubbish. Again, the application needs to be built. Go into the config, ArcoDDM, right mouse click, open terminal, type in make, then say sudo make install, and that's it. Then you go I'm pressing super Q, super X, logging out, and let the application do its thing. Awesome, right? Awesome. Success story, Alt N. New wallpaper, Alt N, new wallpaper. And that means we have another look. We still have our red, the border is still there, the caps are still there, but we are changing DWM, we are rising DWM. Compare between these 2 guys, right mouse click, compare, Super F, full screen. We have changed a few lines already. And for your convenience, I will add this line to the next package. So you just delete these guys here. Okay, what's up next?